What's up, guys? This is the exploding blender prank. So Steve is on his way to my place. I've been helping him diet and exercise at the gym. Today he went to the gym by himself. So he's coming back. I told him I got his meals made for him and I got his protein shakes ready. So what I'm gonna do is, to make the blender explode, I'm gonna put baking soda in his protein, vinegar, and the milk. It's brown. You fucking love your shakes.
Cookies and cream all day, my friend.
I gotta buy more milk.
We're doing chest and tries.
Yeah, I'll give it.
Dude!
Yo,
Dude! What are you doing? I didn't do it.
What did you do, dude? What the fuck do you do?
It doesn't even...
That smells so bad. It smells that bad. It smells that bad.
Yo, my eyes are tearing.
What the hell? Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like. Comment below what I should do to him next. I'm gonna try this prank again to my dad in about a week.
I hate you all.
New videos every day. Peace.